하나,
하나,
둘,
둘,
셋,
셋,
넷,
넷,
다섯,
다섯,
여섯,
여섯,
일곱,
일곱,
여덟,
여덟,
아홉,
아홉,
열,
열,
일,
일,
이,
이,
삼,
삼,
사,
사,
오,
오,
육,
육,
칠,
칠,
팔,
팔,
구,
구,
십.
십.
Hi, welcome back to another episode of
한국남매,
Yay!
where you get to learn how to speak Korean and hear us talk about the culture and customs.
Yes.
So join the family and hit that subscribe button.
Okay, so today we're going to talk about numbers.
Numbers, super important
I
numbers.
know. When we were studying, we talk about numbers a lot.
We use them every day,
Go to restaurant.
buying something.
It's easy to communicate by using numbers or pointing fingers, but sometimes you have to say it.
By the way, talking about pointing fingers, did you see the movie Glorious Bastards from Quentin Tarantino's movie? It's about like World War II. There are all these spies that have infiltrated, and all of a sudden the guy is like counting, show a finger, he's like one,
One?
two,
Okay.
and then the German guy catches him, he's like, that's not how we count. So they get found out because he counted by the way he showed his fingers. So that's like
That's
kind of
interesting.
yeah, around the world, like it's all a little different.
I heard that China, like they have like 6 for this one.
Wait, I know this one.
Yeah,
Isn't it like
that is
Hawaiian?
really
Like
interesting.
aloha. That's that one.
What was that?
Is it aloha? That's from Hawaii. It also means call me.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 일, 이, 삼, 사, 오, 육, 칠, 팔, 구, 십. 하나,
한,
둘,
두,
셋,
세,
넷,
네, 스물, 스무. 햄버거 4개 주세요. 나는 강아지 2마리가 있어. 3시에 만나자. 비행기를 한번 타봤어요. 그건 500원이야. 10분 뒤에 깨워줘. 그 선은 8cm야.
Okay, let's make it clear. To put it simpler, depending on the situation.
Nevertheless, if you do get confused and use the wrong set of like numbers, no biggie. People kind of figure out.
Right. That's not a really big deal, you know.
It isn't. It isn't. And you know, most people, especially in Korea, are so friendly. They'll kind of like figure it out and help you out.
Yeah. Okay, that's it for today. That's all we have for you today.
We hope it wasn't too hard.
It was hard to me.
Keep up the good work.
Okay, from us to you, 한국.
남해.
Bye-bye.
See you next time.